Hello friends, welcome. In this video, we are going to understand how to enable additional description while printing the invoices in TallyPrime application. By default in Tally application, after entering the name of item, whenever you just press enter, it will take you directly to the quantity, and here we need to enter the quantity. Example, let's take an example. We are selling totally at the rate of 45,000 plus GST, and the total value around 53,100. And right now we are selling one Dell XPS laptop to Mr. Kumar, and to take the print we need to just press Alt plus P, and you can see on the printing only the name of item is printed, that is Dell XPS. Actually customer is expecting the additional information to be printed on the invoice. The additional information like what is the RAM capacity, what is the hard disk capacity, what is the processor brand that we are using, and what is the processor speed, what is the total inch of the laptop, right? So we need to, sometimes we require to print some additional description of the product only on the invoices as well, and for that first we need to add the additional description. For that, in the sales voucher, just press F12 and you need to activate provide additional description for stock items. Provide additional description for stock items and enable and control yes save. After activating this provide additional description for stock items and control yes save, now I'll just keep pressing enter. So after selecting any item, whenever you press enter, it will open a small dialog box where you can write any additional description of the product. Example, RAM is around 8 GB and I'll add hard disk drive capacity is around 1 TB and processor example, right, and so on, right? After printing multiple line of the description, just press enter. Now we'll try to take a print by pressing Ctrl plus P and go to preview, and you can see here we have added the description, but it is not printing on the invoice because we have added in the voucher, but we have not configured that I want to print description on the invoices, right? So after adding the description in the sales voucher, just press Ctrl plus P, and after getting this preview, just go to configure once from the configuration and just come down, and you need to activate show additional description for stock item. Just press enter to activate and control yes save. After once activating printing additional description option, and just click on preview, now we can see the additional description of the product has been printed. Okay, so first you need to press F12 to add additional description, and again you need to enable additional description option while printing the invoice. Okay, so two things to be remembered, and this is how you can add the description, right? Thank you.